Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Have you seen the AI storytelling short videos on YouTube? If you've seen it, you know they get millions of views. This type of video gets so much views and attention. And if you also want to make some videos like it, then I got you. So to make those videos you have to come to this website called hypernatural.ai. So after going to this website, you can see so many art style effects and anime styles too. So, as you see, I am selecting anime style because it's cool for me and you can pick as you want. So after selecting art style, just write the script you want in the story like I am writing in the story box. After that, it will automatically make a very good script for you, as you can see on the screen, and after that, you can select art styles, aspect ratio, and even characters' voices from here. So after selecting everything, just go and click on top right corner button. After that, you see, it takes a little process time, and yeah, you are done. And yes, a very important thing, guys, to get free extra 10% discount on your new account use my promo code NORUXTutorial2025.
In a bustling city park, two stories began to intertwine. One, a tale of two birds, Pip and Willow, building their first nest. The other, a young human couple, Emily and Ben, searching for a place to start their lives together.